Hello students.
Hello. Hello.
So today in our lesson we are going to practice English language. So here we practice speaking of English, making questions and answers. You understand?
Yes.
So I'm going to ask your homework. So you are going to speak in English and then your friends ask you questions in English. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So before starting speaking English language, let's revise. Do you know some question words in
Yes.
English?
Yes.
Do you know them?
Yes.
For example, what are they?
Who?
Who, what,
Which? How?
did, how many,
Good?
how,
How much? Good?
would, are,
How much?
how much, what time,
How many?
what is,
How many?
how many,
And
is, and would, should, okay,
Yeah.
must. So these are all English question words. So who wants to speak, practice English, and then please listen each other, and then let's go and ask questions, okay?
Yes.
Who is ready to speak the home
I am.
task? Okay, speak please.
Now I'm going to speak about Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey is one of the famous women in America. She is a TV star, and also she lives in Chicago, but she has an apartment in California, where she born, and every year she gives uh, $1 million, and also she was born in 26 July 1954, and her father in the Mississippi, and her parents are very poor, were very poor, and her father Vernon worked in a coal mine, and her mother Vernita worked in cleaning houses.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So you are ready for the homework, and let's practice asking questions, okay? Yes.
Who
please.
taught read books?
Who taught her reading books? How did she learn reading books?
When she was three, she lived with her grandmother. Her grandmother learned for her reading and write.
Reading and writing. Yes.
When was she born? She was born in 26 July 1954.
What could she do?
She could reading before the three.
Before she was 3 years old.
Where did she live, and where did she have an apartment? She lives with her grandmother, and what?
Where is her
The third
office?
question. What?
She works in California, lives in California, and
Lives
also
and
she has
an apartment in Chicago.
in Chicago.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. Does she have any children in her own life, in real
No,
life?
in real life she didn't have so many children.
So how much does she earn every year?
Every year she earned 260 million of dollars.
Yes, last question.
Is Oprah rich?
Yes, she's very rich.
Good.
woman.
So, very nice. He answered all our questions. So, who is the next? Good.
Hello, my name is Gordon Wilson. London, and I come from Aberdeen in Scotland, but now I live and work in London. I have very small flat near the center. I I am waiter, also drama student. I work in Italian restaurant. I eat Italian food and drink Italian and French wine. I don't drink beer. I don't like it, and I don't like play sports. I am three languages: English, French, and little Italian. I want to be an actor.
Very nice. So, you spoke about Gordon Wilson, right? Any questions to him?
Do you like Italian food? Yes, I do.
Good. Where is Gordon Wilson from?
Come from in Aberdeen in Scotland.
Very nice. How many languages does he speak?
Which languages? Same languages.
What are they?
English,
English,
French,
French,
and little Italian.
little Italian.
Good question.
Does he play sports?
Don't like
He doesn't like play sports. Okay. Do you have question?
No.
Okay. Any other questions?
do that Chinese food?
Does he like Chinese food?
No, I no.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, that's no.
He works in Italian restaurant. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, which next? You speak, please.
My cousin Gabriela. My cousin Gabriela is a very good girl. I envy her study in university. And I was very poor, but my cousin Gabriela is a very rich and famous. All of family proud of her, and we don't meeting often, and we can chat him in email.
Thank you very much. Questions about Jabraila?
Did you
Yes,
question?
please.
Is Jabraila Ben Vei's cousin?
No,
Jabraila is whose cousin?
Yes. Jabraila is Benway's cousin. Okay, how old is Jabraila and where does she live?
uh, she is 22 years old, and she lives with her family.
Why is she successful?
Because he study in a fashion school.
Okay.
Was he poor? Was she poor?
No, she's rich.
Okay.
How old are you?
How old is Benway?
And Miss 5 years old.
Thank you very much. Who is the next? You want you? Okay. Speak, please.
Hello, my name is Gordon Wilson. I come from Aberdeen, Scotland, but now I live in London. I have a small flat near the center. I am better, and I am also a drama student. I am work in Italian restaurant. I eat Italian food, and I drink Italian and French wine. I don't drink beer. I don't drink beer. I don't like it, and I don't play sport. I speak three languages: English, French, and little Italian. I want to be an actor.
Very nice. Very nice. Question.
Do you like beer? No, I do. I don't.
No, I don't.
Did you question? Is he play a lot of sports?
Does he play sports?
No.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't like it.
How many languages does he speak?
Three: English, French, and little
Did you
Italian.
question?
Very nice.
Do you like Chinese food? No, I don't.
Okay.
Where is he live?
Where
Where
does
does he live?
London.
in London?
Is he a student?
Drama student.
Yes, he's a drama student.
Where was he born?
Yes. Where was he born? He was born in Scotland. Very nice. Okay. Thank you very much. And do you want to speak? Speak, please.
Hello, my name is Gordon Wilson. I come from Aberdeen in Scotland, but now I live and work in London. I have very small flat near the center. I am a waiter and I am also a drama student. I work in Italian restaurant. I eat Italian food and I drink Italian and French wine. I don't drink beer. I don't like it and I don't play sports. Play sports. I speak six languages, English, French, and a little Italian. I want to be an actor.
Thank you very much. Question.
Do you like Italian food and Chinese food? I like Italian food.
Very nice.
The question.
Yes, please.
If he eats Chinese food,
Does he eat Chinese food? No, he doesn't.
He like beer or wine.
Does he like beer or wine?
I like wine.
He likes wine.
Do you like play sports?
Do you like play sports? Not
No,
Gordon Wilson, but
no,
you. You don't
Listen.
like? Okay.
Gordon, listen. Like your job.
Does he like his job?
No, I don't. I want to be an actor.
No, he doesn't. I want to be an actor. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Who is next?
Me. Mrs. Elson is married John Connor Elson. He died in 1965. He is 65 side who is 65 side. Grandma gets up at 6 o'clock. Every day at 6 o'clock. Mrs. Elson likes junk food.
Thank you. Questions? Yes.
before Mrs. Elson married,
Yeah.
Who is her husband?
Junk food.
So, what does she do every Friday?
She do.
She goes to hairdresser. How old is Mrs. Elston?
65.
the question.
109.
109 years old.
Which food Mrs. Elson likes?
What food does she like?
Junk food.
Junk food. Okay.
When Mrs. Elson married with James Hamilton.
In 1950.
Okay. Does she like chocolate?
Yeah.
Popcorn?
Yeah.
Pizza?
Yeah.
What doesn't she like?
She doesn't cook.
She doesn't like soup. So this was our activity on about practicing English language. Thank you very much, and I give you homework for the next lesson. So you should prepare them and always practice English, speaking English, and making questions and answering questions. You understand?
Yes.
So see you next activity. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Teacher.